AI video generators are amazing in 2026, but they still have one huge problem. Most AI tools create beautiful clips, but not complete videos. You generate one clip, then another, then another. Endless clip generation. Then you jump between editing, music, voiceover, and recording tools. That's exactly the problem AiVideoStitcherFx is trying to solve. This isn't just another AI video generator. It's more. It's AiVideoStitcherFx.
It's an AI video production system with a real timeline editor.
Let's see what makes it different.
First, it's completely browser-based. No downloads. No installations. You can generate AI videos from prompts. You can also create AI images inside the platform. And even generate background music.
But honestly, that's not the feature I care about most.
The biggest feature is the timeline editor. Text, the game changer.
Text, the game changer.
Text, the game changer.
Most AI tools stop after generating clips. MOST tools stop here.
This tool lets you stitch scenes together. AiVideoStitcherFx, world's first browser-based AI timeline video editor. Trim, cut, merge, and arrange footage with ease.
That means fewer exports and fewer headaches. If you're finding this useful, check the full details. Link in the comments.
Another interesting feature is true scene continuity.
Most AI scenes look disconnected.
This system uses the previous frame as reference. S-Smart Scene Matching.
The goal is smoother transitions between clips.
You can also convert images into videos.
Screen recording is built in too.
Record your screen, webcam, and microphone. Record everything.
For tutorials and demos, that's very useful.
You can layer video, audio, captions, and effects.
Everything stays inside one workflow. So who should actually use this? Content creators and YouTubers. For all you marketers and agencies out there, this is exactly what you need to boost your campaigns. Coaches and educators. Taters. But professional editors may still prefer advanced software.
Pricing starts at a one-time payment of $37.
And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If your biggest challenge is turning AI clips into real videos,
AI Video Stitcher FX offers a very interesting solution.
want the full breakdown, bonuses, and latest pricing? Check the link in the comments.